Hey YouTube fam, welcome back to my channel. I've got little Lillians and little Mimi's here. Say hello YouTube fam. Hi guys. Today's video is going to be a little bit of a lounge room reshuffle. I woke up in the middle of the night and I couldn't get back to sleep for like 3 hours, and I was laying in bed. I'm like, you know what, tomorrow I'm going to wake up and I'm going to rearrange my lounge rooms. So that's literally what today's video is all about. I'm a bit delirious from the lack of sleep, I'm not gonna lie, but I just have never moved my lounges around, and I feel like I want to put my white lounge in here, my black lounge out there. It's a really cloudy day, so one second the sun is here, the next second it's gone, and I've got like my auto light adjuster thing on, so it's gonna go a little bit crazy, but I figure it's better than me trying to mess around with it as I'm trying to move furniture. So yeah, I'll give you guys a quick look at how lounge rooms look right now, and then I'm going to get to shuffling and showing you the finished product. That's literally what today's video is, but I know lots of you guys like these types of videos. So without further ado, let's get into it. So you guys all know this first lounge room. So as you come down the hallway in our house, this is the first living area. Hello little baby girls, you're so bloody cute. Your little faces are so cute. So that's a quick little overview of it. I'm actually about to order a bunch of wedding prints to put up on the wall, which I think will look very nice. But I kind of wanted to reshuffle the lounge room before I ordered them so I can see like how they'll look with the different pieces. I don't know if that makes any sense, but this is the other lounge room that has the big white lounge. Now I don't know what I was bloody thinking when I bought this lounge, not because it's white, but because it's so big. It's like a big huge U-shaped lounge, and I don't like it fully assembled in this space as a U because I feel like it really closes off the space. I like to be able to walk through this hallway and walk directly into the lounge room, so that's why I have it separated how I have it. And then I was going to just like donate these 3 pieces of the lounge here, but then I thought it's kind of stupid because obviously a sectional lounge, and if I'm going to get rid of some of it, maybe I should just get rid of the entire lounge. But the other thing is, it was hella expensive, and I don't think people will be willing to pay what I feel like it's still worth. So I don't know if I should just keep it until it falls apart. And you know, obviously if I get rid of these 2 bits, at least I'm not spending any more money. I'm just limiting the furniture and just having the 3-seater. I don't know. I got a big lounge because I thought we would entertain a lot more than what we do, and your girl doesn't. So it's kind of just annoying that it's so big. So I figured I'd try move it into this lounge room because I think it would actually suit the shape of this room better, because the room will still be open even when the sectionals all pieced together. So I guess without further ado, let's rock this bitch, and I guess we'll see what I come up with. Wish me luck. Wish me luck, puppies. So I think I've decided I want to get rid of those 2 pieces of that lounge. It's just so big and obnoxious. Like, I think it looks alright in this room. Like, I don't think it looks bad. I think I definitely prefer the white lounge with the black splashback. I think it's too much black now in the other lounge room. And I think when the white lounge is here, in here, it needs like more coloured cushions or something, like maybe some blue or green. It's just so big. So instead of spending money on a new couch, so like if I sold this one, for example, I reckon I'd be lucky to get like $600 for it. So if I sold this, I'd have to buy a new couch, which would cost at least $2,500 for a decent like 3-seater lounge. So I think I'm just going to get rid of those 2 sections of that lounge and just donate it. I don't know, like I don't know if anyone will actually be able to use it or not, but like I might even put it on Facebook. And we'll see. But it's so huge. So I've just done all that rearranging, and probably in a week or 2 I will change it all back. Oh, but you just don't know until you try it. Look, I'll leave it for a couple of weeks and then I'll change it back. That's what I shall do. So I pretty much just wasted half my day moving fucking couches around. And Lily and Mary are like, please don't make us hop off. We're just enjoying our little relax. I do think it looks like there's too much white in here though, now that I'm looking at it on camera. Anyway, I'm going to move it all back. I've put on Facebook a message to see if anyone wants these pieces. I'm going to just get rid of them, get them out of my house, just be done with it because I've been wanting to do it for years. So I'll show you guys once I finish cleaning it all up again. Okay guys, so it's the next day. I guess, as the old saying goes, don't fix what ain't broke. So I've just put everything pretty much back how it was. I changed a few things slightly with like the fake plant in the corner there, and I popped the PlayStation over on that little black side table because I really don't like having it sitting on the cabinet. I really need to just put like a hole in the back of one of these doors so that it can sit inside the cabinet and Brett can just open it when he wants to play it. But I don't think that looks bad. You know, nice and neat. I've just been going through wedding photos and stuff, trying to figure out what sort of photos I want to put on this wall, and I think I have them picked. I think I'm going to do a series of 3 photos which are actually like sort of a bit bigger than that, but they're in portrait mode. So I think we'll do 3 photos there, and that'll fill up that blank space on the wall nicely. I think I'm going to keep it very much black white with little pops of green in here. I am considering changing up the cushions that we have in this lounge room and the cushions that we have in the other lounge room, but that'll be for another day. I have this little hall table which I actually painted years ago, and I think I may actually repurpose this as well. I think I might paint it black or white. And then I think I would like to get a mirror to put above it here. So that might be another project that we'll do soon, and I want to put like little crystal knobs on it and stuff. Then when you come through here, this is the lounge room now that I have just like the 3-seater section of the modular lounge, just so you guys can get an idea of it. So like that's the lounge. It just looks so much better as a 3-seater versus in like the huge modular. It was just way too big. So I switched that out, and we just have that in the center of the room, and I much prefer that. So I'm going to just donate, as you can see, the other part of the lounge. We're just going to donate that. So at the moment, this side of the room is really vacant as well. I just popped my little computer desk there, which isn't going to stay there. I don't know if I want to put like another dresser there or not, but then I feel like it's just like spending money after spending money, and I don't know if I can really justify it. So we might just put a photo there, one of our wedding photos for the time being, and I might find something to put in the corner. I don't really want to buy a chair or anything like that because I just don't really feel like spending much money, to be fair. But that's that lounge room. Obviously not too exciting, nothing too crazy. Also, I don't know if I've shown you guys on YouTube, look at what Chelsea and Harry got Brett and I for our wedding present. Is that not like the coolest thing ever? The illustrator, Here's his little signature. I'll pop his details in the description box, but honest to God, it is like the coolest thing I think I've ever been gifted. I'm obsessed with it. I love it so much. It's Brett and I on our wedding day. A cool little illustration. They even have like his tattoos. It even has sparkles on my jumpsuit. It's so cute. I love it so much. So I'm about to go to the work now for the day. Go do the work. I can't speak. Go to work. So I'm going to leave these little babies at home now while mummy goes to work. Love you, my little muffins. Love you. See you later. Bye.